Hello lovely people, welcome back to Live.Life.Lovely. My living room is dirty, people. Today is my last video in my fall series of decor. So in addition to watching me clean, also check out my fall decor for my formal living area. My house is very busy, so keeping this room clean is a priority because it's the first room that people see when they walk in the house. I hope this video motivates you to clean your living room and decorate for the fall too. Enjoy! So this coffee table came from the Goodwill. I only paid $10 for it, so I'm spraying it now with some Mr. Clean spray. I love the way that spray smells. And then I'm going to finish it off with some cleaner from Myers. I love to clean glass with cleaner and then go back with the glass cleaner, but I'm getting a workout cleaning this table because as you can see it is very low, but I love it. It's transparent and I like the way you can see the rug under it. Is from a DIY that I did a couple weeks ago. I can put that video at the bottom, and I have two of those pillows, one on the love seat and one on the couch. And so now I am just dusting and cleaning the end table with the glass cleaner and putting up my fall decor, and I love the way that turned out when I decorated it for fall. Here's the other leaf pillow. As you can see, this for some reason those pillows are hard to fluff out. I don't know why, but whatever's in them is very stiff, so that's why it looks like I'm wrestling with the pillow. But as you can see, the decor look in here is very festive and country looking this year for the fall. Now I'm cleaning the hard part, the floor. When we come in the house, we just dump everything on the wood here, which drives me nuts. So I try my best to keep it clean. So as I clean, I put everything on the steps that needs to go upstairs, and then later on I take it upstairs. Here is the side table in front of the door, and I'm just sorting through mail, and then I'm going to wipe that down as well.
Pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your
So once I finish sweeping, I take a Clorox wipe cloth and put it under my broom just to touch and go on the wood and get a little bleach on there and wipe off some spotting. I do this when the wood is not that dirty, so it's just like a touch and go kind of hack, and then I'm done with that. And now I'm moving on to my little shelf here, and I'm just dusting and cleaning again with these Clorox wipes, which are very handy. vacuuming using my Kirby, and that's my husband leaning out of the door, which I told you this is the busy area of the house. I am vacuuming with a Kirby vacuum, and I like this vacuum because it converts into a steamer, so that little chrome piece at the bottom switches out to become a rug steamer, and I can steam the rug at any time. I do want to try that Dyson the cordless vacuum that I see other YouTubers using though, one day. Thanks for hanging out with me today as I cleaned my living room, and I hope you enjoyed the fall decor as well. I will talk to you soon. Until next time, remember, life is as lovely as you make it. Bye!